And then just a couple little welds here. The tanks, I'm gonna raise those up. We're gonna be working on the pressure washers right now to get fuse panel put in, the controller for the generator and all that. Check it out, everybody. I just posted a video this past weekend blowing the dust off our old truck right here. So here's what we got done this weekend. We got the fender wells put in, got the brackets put in for them. Right now it's blowed all the way down, but when it's raised up, the gaps are even all the way around. Did some work on the hose reels. We had to do some mods on these, got all the switches put in. They're ready to be wired in. Today we got to put the tail lights in that are over there. We got to put the door in for the generator because the generator is literally on a slide out. So we got to put that in. Lights, tag, door, and I got a little bit of welding to do up here, and then it's ready to go to electrical. The other things we're working on, the two pressure washers that mount behind the toolboxes here, they have a lot of stuff going on to them. The driver's side has a fuel gauge for the diesel tank. It has the control panel for the generator, so I have a remote control panel to start the generator. That's got to go on that one, and plus it's going to have a door for the two fuel fields, the gas for the truck and the diesel for the generator, so they're out of sight, out of mind. It'll have a door on the pressure washer. The passenger side pressure washer is going to have a control panel, a breaker box for all of the pressure washers and the vacuum. So that's going to be built and incorporated into the pressure washer as well. So designing these, we want to pack everything and make them compact. So with what we're doing on the pressure washers, you see we got wood arm separator right now. We're actually cutting these off so we can bring them down lower and make them flush with the deck. Here's the stacks that we're going to cut to put on top of the burners. That'll be the last thing we put on is the stacks for the burners. So when you're going down the road, it's going to look like a big old diesel truck with the stacks on top of them. So there's just a few little things left to do. It'll be ready to go to electric. Come back to me. We're going to mount everything. We're going to plumb everything, crank everything up, make sure everything's working good, and then we're going to dismantle it again to go off to paint, and then it'll come back and we'll do final assembly. So more to come. Everybody have a great day. Peace.